The AI skills gap is real, but it is often described badly. OECD's new policy brief says fewer than 1% of workers will need advanced AI-specific skills, such as programming or model development. For most people, the winning move is not learning to build the model. It is learning to work with it. Around 40% of employers in manufacturing and finance that have not adopted AI site skills as the main barrier. More than half of small and medium-sized businesses not using generative AI say the same. Buying access is easy. Changing how work gets done is the hard part. More than half of AI-adopting employers in manufacturing and finance report greater need for highly educated workers. In the roles most exposed to AI, the technology often complements employees instead of simply replacing them. The value shifts toward people who can direct, evaluate, and improve AI-assisted work. The brief points to a practical stack: digital fluency, using, analyzing, and interpreting data, problem-solving, creativity, communication, and managerial judgment. Coding still matters for specialists, but most workers create value one layer above the model by framing the problem, checking the evidence, and making the decision. There is an important caution. In Germany, France, Italy, and Spain, managers using algorithmic management were more likely to say it reduced the need for empathy than increased it, 20% versus 12%. OECD says it is too early for firm conclusions. Human skills matter, but the mix may change by job and workflow. AI is not only creating skill demand, it can also absorb shortages. Nearly 40% of small businesses that experienced a skills gap say generative AI helped compensate for it. One quarter say it helped with a worker shortage. That makes AI a productivity tool and a capability bridge, if people know how to use it. More than half of workers using AI report receiving employer-funded training. Those trained workers are more likely to report better performance in working conditions. The lesson is simple. Do not treat prompting as a one-time course. Practice on real workflows, compare outputs against evidence, and build repeatable review habits. Here is the action plan. Pick one recurring task, use AI to draft or analyze it, verify every important claim, record where the model fails. Then turn the best process into a checklist your team can repeat. Start with workflow fluency, data interpretation, problem framing, communication, and judgment. One limitation: the newest data in this brief are from late 2024, so treat the direction as evidence, not a live labor market forecast. Download the original brief below or open it in PDF AI and ask your own questions.